morning, kids! Let's start the day with clean teeth.
Time to brush, Max! Let's make our teeth sparkle! Brush, brush, brush your teeth, morning and night.
Brush your top teeth gently in circles. Now your bottom teeth, Ben. Don't miss a spot.
Don't forget your front teeth. Smile bright. Shine.
Back teeth need love too. Scrub gently.
Time to rinse. Swish and spit. Healthy teeth. Shiny teeth. Happy smiles. Brush every day. Don't forget to brush at night, too. Right before bed.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth again.
Twinkle, twinkle, healthy teeth. Keep them sparkling bright. Rinse your mouth and don't forget flossing. Brush morning, brush night. Keep your smile so bright.
Remember, kids, brushing twice a day keeps cavities away.
Thanks for joining the Brush Brush song. Don't forget to brush, smile, and subscribe to SingyPop Kids.